Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use LibreChat AI Chatbot. First, open LibreChat site on your self-hosted instance and click Get Started or follow Install Docs if hosting locally. If self-hosting, clone the repo, copy the example config, and fill in your API keys and environment variables. Then start a stack Docker Compose on your chosen method so the backend, database, and search or index service are running. In the web UI, pick or configure your AI provider and model, whether it is OpenAI, Anthropic, HF, custom endpoints, etc. Begin a conversation by typing it in the chat box and optionally upload files or images to provide context for the model. Now use features like agents or workflows, code execution tools, or specialized plugins if your instance has them enabled. Then, manage chats by searching history, forking conversations, and using a prompt library or templates to reuse prompts. Tweak settings such as changing the theme, adjusting the memory or context window, setting authentication, and configuring RAG or file index behavior. Then export or save important conversations, secure your instance with authentication and network rules if you are self-hosting, and share with collaborators when ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.